Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into mining blocks. We're going to be checking out the latest updates to hit the platform. And I also have a small suggestion which I believe will help keep new members active on the site. And finally, I also have a payment proof for you as well. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we're here in my mining blocks account. And to be honest with you, with my account, not a whole lot has changed, but with the platform there has been a few updates, which is why I'm creating this video today. Also as well, like I say, there's something I spotted in my referrals list which I think could quite easily be addressed, and therefore we could possibly have more new members staying active on the site and not ending up putting in work, not getting anything from the site, and then leaving it and dubbing it as a scam. But we will get into that later. So obviously, to begin with, we've got a few events going on. We've got the offer wall event, which is going to give you a 50% additional reward on offer walls and short links. So make sure you get into that. Obviously, the dates are here. That's how long, when it starts and how long it'll last too. There is a block exchange event. So basically, if you exchange any of your currency into block, you're going to get a 20% bonus additional block on top of that. Again, there are the dates from when it starts and when it will end. And then basically, they have a color miner event going on. So basically, if you go into crafting, so which is here, click on that and then scroll down. You're going to see the new color miners, which is here: green, blue, yellow, red. Obviously, all of them have different hashing power. They all have a requirement for different amounts of energy, and they all have a requirement for different amounts of space once you get them. And then obviously they all have a different requirement for items needed to actually craft these. They're going to cost, as you go through the list, they're also going to cost you a little bit more to craft as well. But that is something new that has been added to the site. Another big thing that has been added to the site is they've added an exchange program. Now, if we go into where it says buy blocks and then click cash back, basically here it says, in order to perform the cashback, you require 100 blocks in your balance. And once a transaction is completed, you will receive a percentage in USDT. The amount will depend on the event conversion rate. So obviously, basically, if you currently have 100 blocks in your account, you can come in here, you can click cashback, and you can exchange that block for USDT. And then obviously, when we go into here, you're going to have USDT right here, and then you can withdraw it. So you can withdraw that to Faucet Pay. You might be able to do a direct withdrawal on it. Oh, okay. So in fact, you can't withdraw it to Faucet Pay. It is direct withdrawal only. I know I did see in their Discord that apparently the withdrawals are a bit of a slow go, but they are gradually getting through them. Also as well is essentially they're not sending them out until they build, I think it's build up 10 or something like that, 10 withdrawals, basically to try and keep the withdrawal fees down, or basically zero. So like I say, if that's something that you are interested in, if your account is producing loads of blocks, you can then obviously do what I've just shown, click on the cashback and exchange those blocks for USDT. Now, what is happening? What is my suggestion that I've talked about new members? Obviously, you can see this is only going to be a quick update. I don't want to keep you guys too long. I just wanted to go over what Mining Blocks have, they've put on their site, and then talk about this, because I think this is something that is really important. And I think basically the site is missing out, because we seem to be getting quite a number of new members that are signing up, and then basically, I can see in my list that they're putting in the work, they're doing the short links, they're doing the PTC ads, they're building up their levels, but because of this one thing, they're not actually earning anything. And then basically the way I feel that this should be addressed is down here we have task to start mining. Yes, I feel that this box should be put up here, and then also as well that until you complete those tasks, you can't do anything else. So basically, because they are those tasks are so important, so basically for the person to obviously activate their miners, activate their spaces, also as well there should be a big sign saying that people, new members, need to join a pool in which to earn, i.e. big sign saying you will not earn unless you join a pool. Now I'm going to give you an example of this. So this person here, Sohan, they have been working hard. They've got their account up to level 9, and they were, maybe until today, they were regularly, this health was regularly being updated. So they were clicking on the renew energy or whatever it is, repair miner energy or whatever it is. But you'll notice they have not joined a pool. Now, I think because this is dropped so low, I think this person has actually given up. I think this person has given up because they've spent all that time getting to level 9, doing the PTC ads, probably doing stuff in the other, short links and other things in the offer walls, and they've seen nothing in the way of a return for their efforts. And that is simply because they have not joined a pool. And I feel they have not joined a pool because they didn't even know they had to join a pool, because this here is so far down the page, especially when you've got all these links up here, advertising events and stuff like that. For me, this needs to be at the top of the page with a sign saying, unless you join a pool, you will not earn from this site. So people are made completely aware. They understand how the program is going to work. And also by following these tasks, they are actually going to get their miners up and running and start earning something. And obviously as well, the FAQ is there. So in case they have any other questions, they know that they can just click on that, and pretty much most of the things they want to ask will be answered in the FAQ. So for me, it's just a simple thing of moving this to the top of the screen, but also as well, and like I say, putting a sign that you have to join a pool, otherwise you won't earn. But also as a step further, I think it could be a good idea to essentially, until those tasks are completed, you can't do anything else on your account. And obviously you need to put a sign saying that basically do, task 1, task 2. I mean, is join a pool in there? Oh yeah, join a pool is task 2. So yeah, so you just put that at the top of the page with a sign saying, unless you join a pool, you will not earn. And also, like I say, you could put until you join a pool, you cannot do anything else on the site. Obviously that might be a bit excessive, but it's just to make sure that anyone that comes to the site and is actually active is not then just giving up, like I believe Sohan possibly could have, and then leaving the site and then basically telling anyone they speak to it's a scam. I went on there, I spent X amount of days or weeks getting myself up to level 9. I didn't earn 1 coin, and that could well happen. That could well happen because the simple lack of understanding of how the site works. And like I say, to the developer, I think that's what you should do. I think you'll keep a lot more of your new members active because I think that so many are joining and simply not understanding that they have to join a pool to earn, because your box there with the sort of tasks is so far down the page, it's simply being missed. And you know, because you have to think that if, I mean, I'm using a 22-inch monitor, 1920 by 1080, and still I've got to scroll down quite a way before I get to that box. If someone is using something like a 15-inch monitor, which obviously essentially squashes everything and makes everything longer, they would have to scroll down even further to see that box. So, but yet the first things they will see is offer wall, short links, you know, tasks. So that's what they're going to do. That's you know, faucet. They're the, you know, things they are going to do straight away. And I mean, and not even look down here. And that's where I think this site is falling down. You know, I always obviously praise the developer because he's constantly putting in new events, adding new things. But in this respect, I just think the site just needs to alter things slightly so new members are more aware and instantly aware of how the site works. Okay, so obviously, like I said, that's my suggestion, to try and keep new members on the site. But finally, we have got a payment proof for you. So let's quickly duck on over to our Faucet Pay. And you can see here, if we scroll down, Mining Blocks, 26th of May. So that's only yesterday, or actually a couple of days ago. And here we go. We got 26, nearly 27 full coins of ADA or Cardano. Yeah, and so obviously, as always, when I say, you know, as long as we're getting payments, then the program is working, and that is what we want. Because at the end of the day, that's why we come to these sites, is basically to put a bit of work in and get ourselves some free crypto. So you can see there, just the other day, I made a really good size withdrawal from Mining Blocks, and everything went completely fine. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there. Hope you found that helpful and informative. If you can, smash that like button, please. It really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye. Stop that.